Tsamal oltash teleshuai in tharing anzo cube and cube root kaji any part sumba di jangaira and part sumba di nanglo latang anzo la topic ni mashlaya amar that the second last topic dire the second last topic di nanglo la anzo khara jangala na we are going to find the least number to be divided 81 to make it a perfect cube or not anzo tayar eta divide chine the least number kesi perfect cube rather im data hai kesi perfect cube में ना इन अंसो divide share है number दिख रहा जैसा divide 81 to make it a perfect cube and find the cube root of the product and product चिग्रा हमारे होंदे का चिग्रा अंसो cube root share what does say okay so our solution we are going to find out the what we are going to find out the prime factors of number 81 right so unit place la 1 reda so 3 ki 2 re 3 2 is 6 ani kazure 3 7s are 21 again with the number 3 3 9s are 27 again with 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3 right so these are the prime factors of a number 81 the number 81 ka chilar 81 ka chiganzo khat sela na nganzo khar se lana prime factor series so 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 the triplet formula gora triplet formula go chamba are tinso sama triplet la formula le se that number 3 di chik bu hare single la sa so 3 di khalla na 3 di khalla lana 3 is the so 3 is the smallest number to be kachilan to be divided the 3 dikha chalana smallest number chhe re divide chhe so anjo khar se hola na we are finding here what we are finding here is we are finding here the cube root of 81 right cube root of 81 ka chi anjo khar che na we are divided it with the number 3 so 81 la 3 ki divide ta waina anjo la khar li la na socho la khar li la our product is 27 ra ta 27 ले से 27 दिखा रहा है number रे the number 27 color find the cube root of the product lar 27 कची अंसो ये तक खर्च से लाना the number 27 कची cube root से रे so we are going to find out the cube root of 27 so 27 की cube root दिखा ले लेना and cube root of 27 की factors ता वाई नलर कैसे अंसो 27 की prime factor ता ना and 3 times ऐसा so 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 nah. so we can only take it once so cube root of 27 is a 3 go to say so 3 is your answer this 3 is your answer this is how you are going to find out whether the given number is a perfect cube or not if the number is not a perfect cube then you are going to make it a what with the help of a you are going to divide it with the help of a smallest number ta di the dewa egyo ma thiwa khashish ten round so la hon the solve shiro she injimej okay ta thiwa thangbo di khare la na and thiwa thangbo di gyada sum songa thiwa niwa di khare la na tyungya shi 704 थिवा सुंबा दिखारे लाना अनि क्या तो निसाब के छे र थिवा शिवा दिखारे लाना क्या तो गुपचु कोई दिजो थिवा शि दिखान्ते शेयर लाना अन थांबो प्राइम फैक्टर छे जाना अन खाचेलना प्राइम फैक्टर की जुला गंजो खाचेलना अनि लीस्ट नंबर चिग्राय मारे स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर दिकी एन नंबर देला प्राइम फैक्टर राग्यो दिनसोला अन खाचेलना अन number dela and divide tang samba product chigra mare and product chigra gyo dela nganzo kha chela na nganzo product ragyo de nganzo perfect cube se ron ta nganzo ki topic thama dikhala na and find the cube root of each of the following number khashish theory and on the prime factorization method phese tang ne and cube root se nganzo ra pena cha shana lar ta nganzo example chigle re we are going to find out the cube root of 64 ra ta 64 ki nganzo khar se la na we are going to find out the cube root of 64 the 64 ki cube root the answer la khantes rela na ani prime factorization method phechita ne ra okay that's 64 ka ji prime factor se inda okay 2 32 zara 2 16 za 2 8 zara 2 4 za and 2 2 za got it and 2 1 za 2 so prime factors din so khara na 64 ji prime factors din so khare la na and 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 5 times lit ko se 5 times lit 6 lit 4 5 6 okay 6 times lit ra okay 6 times lit zeng amzola tata ngamzo prime factor 6 times lit sa ta ngamzo khat se bola na we are going to find out the what cube root right cube root of 64 ra chesa cube root la khadu ningi halas rangzo triplet form la rede remi tayare so 2 the 3 times rede tela 2 the 3 times rede 3 is group na yi samba ngamzo khachela na the mashi tu samba then chik mesh themer tinzo ki ne common chik the 2 and tinzo ki ne common chik the 2 so 2 2 is 4 ra last la thamala answer khazule se 4 lesa so cube root of 64 64 ki cube root dikhar chela na and 4 chhe re answer so 4 is your answer go to say this is how you are going to find out the cube root of the following by using a prime factorization the question chik thangbo di chere kone example chik tera and example ni wo the test hana and dijulanga thiwa khashe she thiwa ge she on the answer homework chid okay tata ta pena chashana example ni wa chik lawa na okay cube root of 512 seller so hanzo khat seller na we are going to find out the cube root of 512 by using the prime factorization method right so 512 ka ji sere so 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10 2 6s are 12 2 1s are 2 2 2s are 4 and khazure 2 8s are 16 2 6s are 12 2 4s are right 2 32s are 2 16s are 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are and 2 1s are so khazole se theng guler chikni sum shi nga thup tin ke ku theng gule se theng gule samba okay 2 multiply 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 2 right so 9 times later so cube root of right so ngamzo cube root se samba hal la triplet form la korel so 2 di then chik che la triplet form la group na lo la te tinzo sumka triplet form la re de cheza ngamzo khar che la na any cube root of 512 ki cube root dikhante che la na and 2 di then chik chik there triplet na lo ni ra common le re so 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8 so 8 ra so cube root of 512 kg and cube root dikhar chala na and nganzola answer di ni kele this is how you are going to find out the cube root of the numbers by using a prime factorization method tanga dida dewa yego topic dida dewa yego in thiwa khashe stay ra thiwa gesh no on the inji solve cherish prime factorization method pejitan thiwa gesh ranzora ra cube root here you're going to find out the cube root of these numbers with the help of a prime factorization method nganzo chi lobse di dagaran zore tuchi na shwe samal